Hi, today we're going to do an STK demo. This STK demo is going to be about space. So we're going to jump right into it. This is STK. STK is a very powerful tool for modeling space systems, ground systems, air systems, and anything that moves. In this scenario, you're seeing a satellite. It's maneuvering, it's changing, and it's imaging ground locations across the continental United States. You can see that STK is a full geometric-based engine, so you can see all the vectors, all the sensors, and all the pieces that are being defined here. STK also has a very powerful time-based component. So as we go back, we can rewind and pull and drag this around, and you can replay the animation fully. So we can kind of take a look. What is it actually doing? Well, in this case here, I'm going to pause the time and roll back to when it was imaging this target. So we have as a sensor, this is a geometric representation of an optical sensor imaging this location on the ground. So STK provides full sensor modeling as well as communication modeling, image analysis, and other capabilities. That was a super short demo of STK. If you want more demos and more materials, please go to our website. Thank you so much.